Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David and today we are opening some Playskool Heroes Marvel Superhero Adventures Iron Man Armor Up Fortress. And it comes with a War Machine set and trapdoor. So this set comes with a trapdoor, the Armor Up Fortress, and War Machine. So this is the back of the box. Oh, I'm so excited! So this is the War Machine suit. And this is the Iron Man suit. And this is Iron Man without his armor. And here's the trapdoor where you can put Ultron in. So you can connect them together as you see over here. So you connect it on front, side, or back. And you slide it in. So it's all connected. I'll trap Ultron. So you just pull the back right here and the trapdoor opens. You can get Ultron out by there or here. Sliding that open. So this is an elevator right here. So you put Iron Man here, then you push this up. Then he can get to his War Machine suit. And he can put it back and someone can be here to lift it up. And you connect this to up here. So you can connect these two up here. Now they're connected. So you can put Ultron here at the same time as these are over here. So it's like this. So wheel connected to the back. That's like the ultimate fortress. So there's another way to play it. You can put this in the front. Making sure this doesn't fall. Ultron's trapped. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this toy review. Please give a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.